This is a Subaru Impreza. It's got some minor side damage, and what I'll be doing here is replacing the door and fixing the rocker panel. First, I removed the damaged doors and replaced them with new ones. Now I can see the gaps and how bad the damage is. I cleaned the surface to the bare metal and start pulling the edge. Right after I got the edge fixed, I cleaned the whole rocker panel and proceeded with spot welding. This process takes a lot of time and requires a lot of skill. Here's what a fixed panel looks like.